Pagka narubi sulit, narubi bukod. Sinaktan na pagkatanang nasigo. May laure lang sa natin na ulit ko. Pero sa mga nila. Kayo nga manarayot na matutuloy sa namin muli naman na
It is something that we really need to seriously consider, given the need to provide safety and security for our people. We are living in this new norm, and the catastrophes that we are facing are very unpredictable, and of course it's getting worse as well. And in the discussions that we had today, and the advice that we have also stated, is they need to work with government and see what are the options available, because we need to do it together in partnership, but definitely they need evacuation centers for the safety of the local communities themselves. We cannot expose our own people to the environment that they are currently in. They are in very low-lying areas, and it's even worse when cyclones do come. There is definitely a need for evacuation centers in those places, and hopefully the communities will work with the authorities, particularly government agencies, so that we can have some concrete plans for the future.